Let's learn English through short and fun conversations at an office, with vocabulary and listening questions. Improving the office space.
You know, this office could use a little makeover. It's starting to feel like we're working in a warehouse.
I know, right? The walls are so beige. I think they're making me lose my creativity.
Exactly. We need more color in here. Something that'll inspire us. Maybe some funky posters or plants.
Plants, we can barely keep a cactus alive.
Who said we need to keep it alive? You know, something low maintenance, like a fake plant.
Now that's the level of commitment I'm comfortable with.
And what about lighting? Maybe some nice, warm lights to make it feel less like a hospital and more like an actual office.
Yes, no more fluorescent lights, please. We need something cozy, like those cute desk lamps.
Great. So, we're going for plants that don't need water and lights that won't blind us. It's the dream office.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Makeover. A complete change or improvement to something, usually in terms of appearance. Fluorescent. A type of bright, artificial light often found in offices. Productive. Achieving a lot of work or results in a given amount of time. Your listening question is: what is the solution they come up with to improve the office space? Answer: they suggest adding low-maintenance fake plants, cozy lighting, and getting rid of the fluorescent lights. Asking for time off.
Hey, do you think I should take some time off next month?
Time off, haha. I think we all need time off. Like, every day. But seriously, why do you want to take time off?
I need a break. You know, my brain is like a computer with too many tabs open. I'll explode if I don't get some time to recharge.
Haha, I feel you. I think my brain has been running on out of office mode for weeks. But how do you plan to ask for it?
I was thinking of just saying, hey, I need some personal time. I'll be back to save the world in 2 days. How's that?
Haha, that's a bold approach.
Just joking. Honestly, I may say something like, I would like to request some personal time to ensure optimal productivity and well-being, and I'll be back to contribute with renewed focus.
Wow, that sounds so professional. They might even give you a standing ovation for that.
Haha, I wish, but hey, a little professionalism never hurts, right?
My, would you mind writing one for me? I'm planning to take a trip to Bali next week.
How about this? I would like to request leave for personal reasons, with the intention of returning fully recharged, ready to contribute with fresh perspectives and maximum productivity.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Optimal. The best or most effective condition or situation. Productivity. The rate at which work is done or things are produced. Well-being. The state of being happy, healthy, or comfortable. Your listening question is: where is the male colleague planning to take a trip? Answer: he is planning to go to Bali. The tough project.
Ooh, this project is driving me insane. I feel like I've been staring at these numbers for hours and they're not making sense.
Want me to take a look?
Yeah, that'd be great. You're like my personal hero.
A hero? Haha, I don't need that fancy title. I prefer a cup of coffee as a thank you after this, though.
Shouldn't superheroes do things for free?
Shh, I will help you anyway. Let me see. We need to just... Oh, why don't you use the formula from that thing?
The formula, that thing. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Haha, it's simple. We just multiply these numbers, add a dash of magic, and voila.
Please explain like I'm a 5-year-old kid.
Haha, my magic wand is from your team actually. Last week, they figured out a formula to shorten half of our working process.
Oh, so that was the important document that they keep telling me to read.
And why haven't you read it already? It could have saved you a lot of time.
Because I was too focusing on this file. Oh my god, my whole morning.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Formula. A set of mathematical rules or operations used to solve a problem. Project. A planned work or task with a specific goal. Spreadsheet. A program used for working with numbers and data. Your listening question is: what did the male colleague suggest to the female colleague? Answer. He suggested using the formula from the document her team figured out last week. The forgotten flight.
All right, let's get through the schedule. Gosh, we have a lot of meetings this week. First, we've got the team meeting on Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Okay. Team meeting. No problem. Coffee in hand. Ready to go.
Haha, I like the attitude. Then we have the client presentation on Wednesday afternoon.
I've got that covered. I'll prepare everything. No worries. I'll be ready to impress.
Good, and then we have the department meeting on Friday at 3 p.m.
Perfect. Friday meetings are always fun. Right. Once we end that meeting, shall we head to the coffee? My, I have to tell you all about my trip last week.
So much energy, good for you though. Your trip today is gonna be harsh.
What? Long trip? What are you talking about?
That important meeting that you are flying to today. We need to have 3 extra meetings this week. All because of her, remember?
Wait. What do you mean by flying?
Oh no, Kevin, don't tell me that you have not.
Just tell me about it.
Our client is from another country. You are supposed to fly there to meet her this afternoon.
Oh my God. How could I miss that? Oh no. Oh no. Do we have my ticket already?
Lucky you, we do, but it will board in like 2 hours. Don't you need to pack anything?
At this point, you are the only one I should pack.
What are you even talking about?
I will text the boss later. I can't do this without you. Let's go. We will deal with this client, whoever she is.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Presentation. A formal talk or demonstration, usually to an audience. Client. A person or company who pays for services or products. Impress. To make someone feel admiration or respect for you, especially by doing something well. Your listening question is: what important meeting did the male colleague forget about? Answer: he forgot the important meeting with the big client, which would lead to 3 more meetings. Year-end party.
Boss have said that we are in charge of the year-end party this time.
Thank God, finally, I can do something fun. I still don't understand why Bennett was the host last year.
Those dry chickens he ordered were literally rocks.
Indeed, we need something better, so how about some fancy karaoke?
You want more karaoke after last month's party? People are still talking about how awkward that was.
Well, do you have any better ideas?
I'm thinking about a cute cake party. We could get a giant cake and have some games.
Seriously, girl, it sounds so lame. Are we in kindergarten?
Come on, it wasn't that bad. It will definitely be better than your performance last time.
Don't lie, everyone was clapping for me.
They were happy that it ended.
Okay, arguing will lead us to nowhere. So, how about we find a way to mix the cake party with karaoke? It's possible, isn't it?
You mean a punk cake party?
What?
You're a genius. I've got it now. We'll have a wild karaoke night with cakes as the star of the party.
Hold up. Who even eats cake at a karaoke night?
I can order crazy, decorated cakes. You know, cakes in purple or green or black with neon frosting, funky patterns.
Oh no.
Oh, I can tell them to shape the cake like guitars or flamingos. Oh my, this is going to be a party no one has ever seen before.
And after that, no one will ever let us organize another party again.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Year-end party. A party held at the end of the year, often to celebrate achievements and the coming new year. Karaoke. A form of entertainment where people sing along to music, usually with lyrics on a screen. Performance. The act of performing or singing in front of an audience. Your listening question is: what is their current plan for the year-end party? Answer: the plan is to have karaoke and crazy decorated cakes. Meeting plan.
Hey, we need to go over the plan for tomorrow's meeting.
Oh, the meeting, I almost forgot about it. Have we finished the agenda?
Lucky you. I'm in charge of it this time.
Sorry, I have been dealing with this angry client for the past few days. I cannot think of anything else.
Don't worry, I just need to add a few more points. I'll send it in the next 10 minutes. You know me, always last minute.
Haha, I knew it. Leave the rest to me. I'll make sure we're ready.
Great. Thanks, the presentation will be pretty quick this time. I have made sure we stick to the key points.
Of course, no rambling this time.
Haha, no promises, but let's keep it short and clear.
Exactly, we don't want to bore everyone. Alright, what time does the meeting start?
It's at 10 a.m. Let's get everything set up by 9:30.
9:30, that's early. I need my coffee to function.
Don't worry, I'll bring you a coffee as well. That'll wake us up for sure.
Perfect, with coffee, I'm ready for anything.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Agenda. A list of topics to be discussed during a meeting. Ramble. Speaking at length without focus or clarity. Set up. To prepare or organize something for an event or meeting. Your listening question is: what time is the meeting scheduled for? Answer: the meeting is scheduled for 10 a.m. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.